how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo. So it's very simple. This will work for your PC version as well. But what you want to do is go to your Yahoo Mail app. And the Yahoo has a great feature where you can actually go to the bottom left-hand corner where it says inbox. Go ahead and click that. And then you can actually go to unread and it will filter through and just give you the unread emails. So from that point, what you can do is go to where it says today and hit that little circle. And that's going to check and select a certain amount of emails. And what you can do is keep going through and hitting the delete button. And what that's going to do is it will give you an opportunity to delete all of those unread emails. Now, I don't believe you can actually go through your entire inbox, but it does depend on how many emails that you have. But what you can do is just keep selecting and keep deleting. And that's it. That's how you would go about deleting all